Hello, wherever you're seeing this video from, I remain your sister, Patty. Hello. For those of you that are seeing this video for the first time, my name's Patty. Hello. I live in Lyon, France. My aim of this video is to talk about my product Super Life STC30, and also for those of you that is leaving messages for me, asking questions, how you can get your product, how you can join, is a very easy one. Thank you guys for leaving your comments. I so much appreciate. So to get the STC30 product can be posted to you anywhere you are, any destination you are. This product can be posted to you. And also, if you want to be a member, it is very easy. You can call me, leave your message in my messenger, my Facebook. My phone number is also there. You can join me on my number, and I will give you the details how you can be registered and be a full member. Now, come to talk about the product itself. Super Life product is a very good one. Since I started using Super Life, it has done great thing in my life that I never expected. Like me, I used to use glasses. I've been using glasses since 2006. But today, I don't use glasses anymore. Just in 2 weeks, I apply this STC30. I stopped using glasses. I can, because I have a long sight problem. I don't see far. But today, I can see far. I can read a little bit far. And also, when I'm watching the telly, my eyes is giving me, that stress. So I get tired of watching, get tired of doing things because of the stress, when I'm stressing my eyes. But today, Super Life has done changes for me. So that is why I'm out here to give this little testimony that I've gotten from Super Life, from the product STC30. I encourage you all there. There is no time waiting for doctors anymore to operate your eyes, to keep on repeating medications every time, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, those kind of stuff. But today, Super Life is there to say stop to operations, operating your eyes, operating your heart, operating your ulcer, operating your cancer. This is really doing a lot of things in the body. And some people is asking, what is it made of? It's made up of fruit. It's a natural herbal stem cell that you will take, and it will change your body. The stem cells in your body, it will replenish them, it replaces them, it rejuvenates them, you put them in places. The ones that are weak already, it goes inside and look for it and find it and take care of it. That is why it's called STC30 Total Care. It goes around your body system and looks for those ones that has been damaged, and it will now repairs them, and you start to see changes in your body. Begin to see changes in your body. So please, my people out there, Super Life is going farther. It's going far. It's moving people farther. It's doing a lot of changes. There are so many testimonies. Go by yourself, Google it. You will see it. You see testimonies, what people are testifying about STC30. It's changing the lives of people. Marvelous work. Even opportunities, business opportunities that is given to people also. Oh my God. Since I take my decision, then I find passion in it. I have gotten changes financially. I've not been working over 1 year. I'm at home. Could you imagine that how I'll survive? The small income I have is not enough for me. That is why I give a try with this company. And today I can see that it's really helping me. It's helping me. Believe me. My brothers and sisters, I want you to be a part of Super Life. It's moving fast. It's a network marketing. Globally, digital marketing. Please, I want you all to go to Google it, search about it, give me a call, tell me what you want. If you want to be a consumer, if you want to be a trier of the product, and if you want to be a business partner. I'm still looking for 2 good people that will work with me, and you will not regret joining this amazing team of Super Life. Let's work together. Let's hustle. We call it hustle. Is side money, side chick money, to do other things, other important things, to put things in order, looking good. If you want to do your hair, if you want to look good, this Super Life is there. It has given people freedom. When they give you freedom to do whatever you want to do. It's not like others that will tell you don't do this, don't do that, limit. No, Super Life gives you freedom. Who doesn't want to be free? Everybody wants to be free. This is not a business when you are working, you're running up and down. Yes, my yes, sir. Yes, my yes, sir. No, it's not the type. You are free, comfortable in your home. Sitting comfortable in your home, just as I am doing. Reach people, talk to people, do your videos, do your live videos, go to YouTube, go to Instagram. You share it with people. Tell people about the good thing this product is doing in the life of people. That's all. That's all. And you will have, you have that thing you are looking for to carry on your life. In this pandemic lockdown, wow. I think a lot of people are searching for jobs here and there. What are they going to do? Please inbox me. If you are the type of person that is being bothered about this pandemic lockdown, my sister, my brother, call me. Inbox me. And let us talk about it. I will put you through. We have our leaders also that is giving us a good counseling. They will put you through how you can make good cash and how you can roll with this business without any stress, without giving you headache. At your own leisure time, you're out and you do it quietly and you begin to see the results. The amazing thing is I don't use my glasses anymore. This is a good testimony. I'm so happy. I also have a falling hair, but today it has stopped. All just because of this STC. This is how it is. Like this. See it? Small sachet. This is what is doing the miracle. You open it and put it under the tongue, and you allow it to dissolve for a few seconds, maybe 2 seconds, and you take a glass of water. That's all. You do your normal thing. You take your breakfast, you take your reaper, and anytime you feel like drinking water, as usual, consume a lot of water, and you see how it will wash your system and how it's going to work in your body, and you'll get the result. My lovely people, please don't fold your hands. Don't stay behind there and say, oh, I don't have anything to do. Oh, I am scared. There is nothing to be scared in this business. I am telling you, a layman, a primary school person can do it. A primary school dropout can do it. I promise you, call me, I will put you through. I will show you the way to do it. It will be easy for you. You will not stress yourself. Bring all to me. I will put you through. I will teach you how to go about it. Don't be scared. If you are scared, you cannot move forward. If you are scared, you always be at the back. You will be behind people. So don't be scared so that you'll be at the front seat. Okay? So I'm so happy to talk with you guys today, and I wish you all a very good day and best wishes. I'm expecting to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.